to use in trading in mt4. I can assure you that with this trading strategy you'll be able to make 75% profit than loss. All you need to do is just to follow every step I make in this video. First of all, you're going to locate the app mt4. Click on the app. Here the chart comes. Then we locate indicator. You can see it here. Let me go back. F indicator, sign of F symbol. Then we click on moving average. We set this in 5. We leave it like this. It's already in 5. We set here exponential. Then here close 4 pizza. Then we leave it in this black color. Then click done. When that is done, you can see the moving average is right here. You can see the moving average is right here. Look at the moving average here. Okay, when that is done, you click on the indicator again. Click add. Okay, moving average. You need to leave here in 5. You're going to place 15 here. Change the color. Let's use blue. Yeah, exponential. Then done. You can see now another moving average with blue symbol is right here, located right here. You can see the moving average located right there. Then we set another one again. Click on this symbol again. Add moving average. Not going to use 15 again. We're going to use 60 this time. Then let's change this color to, let me say, green. Then click on done. You see another moving average is applied right here. Now when all this is done, we form moving average called EMA. Now when all this is done, a moving average is being formed. Three moving average, you can see right here. Now if you take a look at this chart backward, you notice something. Now whenever the price is going up, this green cross over the black and the blue. You can see it right here. Let me use a brush so that you see what I'm talking about. Yeah. At this point, you see that the green line crosses the black and the blue. So you can see this point. Then another point I want you to see again. Is when the price falls. Now when the price falls, you can see that in the same direction again, the green cross over again. Cross over the black and the blue. As you can see right here. Okay, at this point, the green cross over the black and the blue. At this point, you're able to sell. Now another thing you need to notice in this list, we need to add another indicator again to make this chart more advanced. Let's use parabolic SARS. We leave it in default mode. Okay, now parabolic SARS is another indicator that tells you whether the price is rising or is falling. Now if you take a vivid look at this chart, you see right here at the bottom, at the up here, it's telling you that the price is falling, it's coming down. You can see right here. Let me use a brush to indicate. Right here, you can see it right here. These two dotted lines. I see them. That is the work of a parabolic SARS. Now another indicator we need to apply again. Is a commodity channel index. You leave it in default mode. Now the commodity channel index shows whether a price is overbought or oversold. Now with this index or with this indicator, now you'll be able to know the entry, if you are going to buy at this time or you are going to sell at this time. Now when all this is done, we are going to start with the moving average. Now, like I said before, the moving average it indicates strong buy or strong sell. Let's go back to the chart again. This chart I'm using is 1 hour time frame. This moving average, this indicator I used, it works well perfectly in this 1 hour time frame. Okay, now from this point you can see that we add strong sell here. It sell all the way from this point. Okay, let me show you. From this point 1.229 blah blah blah. Okay, from this point down to this point, you see we add strong sell here. Now how do you know if the thing is going to sell or is going to buy? Like I told you before, when the green line crosses the black and the blue, you need to observe something. You need to also watch the parabolic stars. You need to also watch this channel index. All these things, this indicator, they give you strong motive on whether you want to buy or you want to sell. Now let's take a look at this parabolic stars. When the green line crosses these two lines, black and blue line, at this point in time, you can see the parabolic stars here pointing downward. At this point, you can sell. So, okay. Now let's take a look. Let's take a look at when the price is going upward. You can see at this point here, the green line crosses the black and the blue, showing you that it's gonna buy. The price is going upward. Now at this point in time, we're going to take a look at this parabolic stars again. When the parabolic stars is at the bottom of this moving average, it's indicating that it's going to buy. It's moving upward. Okay, now from this point you can see traces down here. The parabolic stars is already indicating upward at this point in time. Then the moving average, the green line has already crossed the black and the blue line, showing you that this thing is going to buy. The market is going to buy. It's moving upward.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.